Hello, and what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about in this video is the Shea Moisture Jojoba Oil and Uka Butter Odor Neutralizing Mist with Carrot Seed Oil. And it says that it soothes and deodorizes cornrows, box braids, weaves, and extensions. So this is something to keep your hair fresh while wearing, like protective styles. So I thought this was really beneficial. It's color safe, silicone, and sulfate free. So that is a plus. This is my second time buying this. It was funny because my hair wasn't. It was in some braids and some of it was out. So I was like, okay, I need to find something to make my braids. I mean, it still looks good because I kept the braids up, but sometimes it may itch a little and I wanted something to relieve that, and this definitely helps with that. It also has a nice shine, a nice finish when you spray over your braids. I absolutely love this product. I really love it, and I'm very happy that Shea Moisture created a mist. Like sometimes people may have a scent, with longer hairstyles, depending on like weaves or braids or anything, and you kind of just want that extra moisture to get back in it. Like it won't feel so dry, it won't feel so itchy, it won't look so frizzy, old. So I'm really glad that they made this product because once you spray it on your head, it has a nice cool sensation. So your hair feels revived, refreshed. It feels not necessarily like you just got it done, but in the same sense, kind of sort of, because when you just get your hair braided or whatever, you can still feel that moisture. It's like it's just the fresh feeling that you feel with the product, and making it nice and smooth and nice and fresh. Just have that nice shine to it, and this actually does that. I love it. I really love it. The smell is sweet. It is sweet, but you can deal with it. What I mostly smell from this is the carrot oil, and there is carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil. This product, and you don't really need a lot of pumps. I mean, just depending on like how your hair is styled. Like I may do like, I don't know, 3, because my whole head isn't braided. So, and sometimes it goes over my natural curly hair too. So I'm like, okay, all this is being moisturized. It feels good. Hey, so on the back, what I love about it is that it explains exactly what the ingredients that they have in here do. Let's see if I can, like for instance, boil oil. It deeply hydrates to help resist breakage caused by swelling and shrinking as hair gets wet. Okay, yes. Okay. Uka butter, rich and fast absorbing fatty acids that support elasticity and improve manageability. Okay, and then the carrot seed oil, which I'm mostly smelling, moisturizes hair and scalp to promote overall hair health and shine. And then it just gives directions on what it does. It eliminates the odor that you may have, with your hair, if it's old or whatever. And see right here, I was saying, as far as like an itchy scalp, it relieves that too. You just have a nice, refreshes it. It really does. You just have a nice shine, a nice glow, moisture when you spray this on your hair, and especially when it hits my scalp. My hair is thanking me for it. I can already tell because it loves this stuff. I know what my hair loves, and my hair absolutely loves this stuff. This is my second time buying it. I haven't really use too much of it. I try not to, because sometimes I use a lot of product and it goes away really fast. I know they have other moisturizers along with the ones that's specific for like cornrows and box braids. I believe they have like, well, I'm pretty sure they still do, because I got mine, but it's like a little braid up cream, whatever, and this will go perfect if you know you have braids and then you need something to give that moisture back to make your braids refreshed. I will say, that's why I was saying that you don't need too much. When you spray it on, it does kind of like spray over like the whole head or whatever. I love this. I really do. Oh, I already took the top off. Okay. I want to spray, but I don't want to spray it so where it's like I'm wasting product. Okay, I'll just spray it on my hand. Okay, so you can see. And then, I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can see that. Okay. So 2 sprays. Imagine this is what your braids will look like. Okay. And it smells right off the back as soon as you smell it. So I am getting ready to put these on my braids right now as I speak. I don't know how good this is going to be because it's on my hand, but I'm touching my scalp and my braid with my hand. Anyway, let me go ahead and put this in there because I'm talking about this. Anyway, so try the Shea Moisture Jojoba Oil and Uka Butter Odor Neutralizing Mist. Again, with carrot seed oil. And I mean, this is amazing stuff. I absolutely love it.